will get 0. Means whatever you are getting nearest to that integer, that is no here in the positive side there are two things. Say this is 4 and this is 4.7. This is 4. So the only thing is it is considering only this fraction part. This is say 5 and this is 4.7. So it is considering only that part. And if we say this is 2.75 in that negative sign, so this is -1 and this is this is -1, this is -2, this is say here it is -3, let us say. So this is the value from here to here, it is 0.75. But the thing is we have to consider this part. In this particular thing we have to consider this part only, and this part is 0.25. So we need to understand in fractional part, if negative sign is there, make it to the next integer, that is -2 to -3, and while going to -2 to -3, the remaining portion, or I must say if you are going through -2.75 from this point to 3, then you are going to travel this 0.25. So this will be your answer. Likewise here also, if I zoom it, say this is y-axis, this is -1, this point is say -0.55. So what you are doing is you are going to this -1. In this process you are traveling, you have traveled from 0 to -0.55, and the remaining portion, this is 0.45. You need to travel more, then only you will come to this portion. So your answer is fractional part function. It says if this is -0.55, if we want to write the fractional part of this one, so it will be equal to 4.5. There is a little change in negative sign only, but at the positive sign we need not worry about it. As 4.7, you can see we have to write the 0.7 only. In the 3, this is integer, or -7 is integer, so we need not worry. The fractional part is 0 over here. Why? Because this is 3.0 and this is -7.0. So after decimal we are getting 0, so we are having 0 over here. Let us see the graph of this particular function. So it will give you this is 1, and whatever you are getting is the here you are getting close, whereas this one is in, this is the entire process, and from here to here we will be having the fractional part. But particular here, this is integer, you won't get here. So this is, it will be like this. This is 2, this is 3, or this is -1, and so on. So it is, and go on. Likewise you will get. So this is the fractional part. We'll see some more types of functions or kinds of functions. So many functions we have studied: modulus and the greatest integer is smallest integer, fractional part functions. Likewise, there are so many functions: logarithmic functions and exponential functions and cube functions, cube root functions, square function, square root functions, and so many functions are there. And we know that the process how to solve those questions. So I'm not covering those functions. And according to the syllabus, now the CBSE used to ask the functions from here onwards. So this is the important one. Then the first one is one function, one function, and it is also called as injection, or injective or injectivity. These are the words which is used for this function also, and one should very well note it down. Why? Because this is a very important 3-star function. Question is asked from here. A function f, from a to b is said to be one function or injection if difference or if different element of A have different images in B. We'll see here how